all my Beanie fans at? All right, y'all, coming up next, they're all the way here from the Philippines. I want to hear you guys make some more noise. Come on, let's see that energy.
My presence is a present. Talking French, I keep you guessing. No, you got a little bit of growing. Cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate.
This is their brand new song from Beanie. It's called Cherry on Top. Oh, you guys know it. Sing along. Here we go. One, sing it, go.
If you want it sweet, then just share it online. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up.
Sing it, cherry on top. It's the moment you guys are waiting for. Once again, my name is DJ Marlino. Thank you guys so much for having us today. Mix presents TFC Hour. This next group I have the honor of bringing out to introduce you guys to in San Francisco. They have 12 million streams on YouTube, 10 million streams on Spotify. They're all the way here from the Philippines. I want you to make some noise for BGYO. San Francisco, make some noise.
Maisip mo, ikutin ang mundo. Ikaw naman ang himalo, tapos siyang nihalo. Pero bago mo zero ka sa iPhone, hey! Halika ka na magpatintero. Pagdating ang tawian. Wala ka makukuha ang premyo. Yabang ang nakarapatan. Halika ka na magpatintero. Halika na magbawian. Wala ka makukuha ang premyo. Yabang ang nakarapatan. Huwag ka magpahuli. Hindi sa mga duhi. Sarap na piling pag di kanya maabutan kahit ka anong piling ka na kaya iwanan. Huwag ka magpahuli. Magpapakilala po muna kami. Hello guys, ako nga pala si Mickey. Hello guys, ako si Jello. Hello, ako naman po si JL. What's up, San Francisco? Ako po si Nate. Hello, I'm Kira. BGYO. Okay guys, para sa mga hindi kilala ang BGYO, kami ay isang Filipino boy group under ABS-CBN, and yung first song na perform namin is called Patintero. And para sa mga hindi ko lang dyan, Patintero is a traditional game in the Philippines na ilalaro namin ng bata tayo. Yes, pwede ko saan yun. And marami pa kami mga songs na na-release na. Kaya pwede nyo i-check yun sa BGYO_team. Also, Patintero in our discography means the game of life, that no matter if you win or lose, as long as you're enjoying the game. Manalo matalo. Manalo matalo. As long as nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Tama po ba yun? Nag-enjoy tayong lahat? Tama mental. Yes. Itong next song natin para sa lahat ng mga pangarap.
They're still singing.
Kaya sa mga big dreamers out there, this next song is for you. Let's go. Pero alam nyo, yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, para lang ako nananaginip kasi first time namin dito sa San Francisco, tapos ganito yung energy na mga kasama. Talaga namang gigil na gigil yung pag-cheer nila sa amin. Kaya gigil na gigil din kami ipakita sa inyo yung mga performance na hinanda namin. Ano po yun? Paano daw yung gigil, sabi ko? Alam niyo ba yung word na gigil? Alam niyo ba yung word na gigil, tita? Paano po ba yun? Paano yun ang gigil? So ayan, dahil nang gigigil na din naman tayong lahat, deserve natin manggigil. Let's go. Let's go. Make some noise! Okay, grabe nang gigil ako doon. So sobrang gigil na